Okay, folks, today is another new guitar day unboxing of another Aliexpress guitar. So let's go, let's see what we got. These things are always packed pretty good. Ordered a few and I have never gotten a damaged one yet. Let's hope that trend continues. Cut right along the lines here. Usually can pop the top cover right off. These are nicely packed in foam. And every time I order a guitar from a US supplier without a case, they send a crappy ass cardboard box. You think, you know, they learn, at least from these guys, said they know how to innovate this better than US companies do. But I guess, you know, stuff does come from a lot further overseas. So it does qualify their packaging. So, what is it gonna be? And how is it gonna look? Okay. Here we go. All the little extra chunks they add in here around the edges. Here we go. Oh, and they always give you the complimentary super cheap cable and my whammy bar. But here we go. Here's the meat of the of this here. The guitar. Alright, yeah, always good packaging. I love these foam cases. Definitely keep the guitar safe. Okay, so what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Let's see. Come on now. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. 12 on the knobs and such. But boom. There it is. There it is for you. A kind of purplish burst quilt top Strat. That's pretty obvious. It's got the star inlays. Boom. There's the back. 5-way switch, the 2-tone volume, single coils with the tremolo bridge. Just drop the whammy bar in. See how this goes. I never got one of these Chinese jammies with the tremolo, so I'm totally unaware how that works out. Tremolo's kind of high. I don't know. It's a little different, but yeah, there it is. Let's see, how does she look? Back looks pretty good. That's a little funky right there, but that's just wood. Back looks like it's a solid one piece. I think it's supposed to be mahogany, which is kind of a strange wood for a Strat. You know, usually being alder or ash or something. The front, I'm sure this is just like a veneer, very thin veneer, but hey, doesn't look too bad. Kind of cool. So there she is. I'm gonna plug her in a bit, do another video, some testing out playing, but that's the unboxing.